Bonjour, good morning. I've decided that I'm going to give Le Penon a go, which is just probably a couple of, maybe 1 or 2 kilometers north of Seignosse, probably not even that. I've not been there before. I think I might have to pay for parking there, which is a bit of a bummer. But I wanted to try something new. Hopefully the waves will be similar and it won't affect the trial of my new surfboard because I did want to really properly test it out on waves I knew, but it's only a couple of kilometers up the beach, so hopefully it won't be too different. I'll have to just have a little look before I jump in to make sure I'm jumping in the right place where the waves are breaking the best, but like I said, I'm still a beginner, so I'm prone to getting that wrong. I did bring my old GoPro Hero 5 with me, so I'm going to try and get some footage, although it's a bit annoying because if you want to get like an hour's worth of footage but you want to surf for 3 hours, and you still got to carry the bloody thing around with you afterwards. I don't know how it's going to fare because these are quite big waves, so you know, I'm at risk of losing it. But at least it's only the GoPro Hero 5. It's an older model, so it's not the end of the world. If I lose it, it would be a pain in the arse. Anyway, I'll catch up with you when I'm there. So it's pretty quiet here, which I'm a bit surprised about, but I suppose it is Monday. So everyone's back at school now. The bank holiday celebrations are over. So it's nice actually that it's not that busy. I've just walked all the way over there to the Luge to find that there's some literally like 20-30 yards away over there. Never mind. But I got a little look at the area. There's a nice skate park there, and there's like a water park. I didn't go too close to the water park, but you can see the slides and stuff. It's pretty cool. I don't know if I have to pay for this car park. I have to check in a minute, but it looks to me like it's free. So I would say this is probably almost even better than Les Estaños, but the water looks a bit choppy. I'm going to go and see if I can. I'm going to see if I can use the GoPro. We'll see. I might give up halfway, but I'm not going to be that far away from the car, so hopefully I can come back and bring it back. Anyway, I'm going to have something to eat now, and then I'm going to get into my wetsuit and get down there and start surfing. I'm switching to the GoPro now. I don't know how good it's going to be, but we'll see. The sound's probably going to be crap, but really it's all about the visuals. Wish me luck. Right, I don't know what you can hear, but I'm heading to the beach. Bonjour. Bloody hell, it's hot. Can't wait to get in that water. Those waves are looking big. A bit close together, for my liking. Yeah, oh look, they've got another beach bar down here. That's new. Make sure we do some stretches. It's a bit choppy out there for me today, guys, but I'm going to have another go because I came here to surf. So Didn't come all the way here for nothing. Thing is, the surf's okay beyond a point, but I can't bloody get out there when I'm wearing this GoPro and with this light board that gets pushed around by the waves. I can't really duck under the waves with it, so let's see what we can do. Just put more wax on. Just surfed for 2 hours. It was very choppy out there when I first went out. I think the tide was turning. It was very hard to get out, and the waves were coming at all angles. Even towards the end it was still like that, but towards the end the tide started going out, so it got a bit less severe. I'd like to go sit on the beach now and have some lunch, but I don't want to leave my surfboard on top of the car unsupervised, so I'm going to have to clean it, put it back in the bag, and then carry the bag all the way down to the beach. No, I tell you what I'll do, I'll put it in the bag, I'll drop these seats down, and then I'll shove it in the back here for now. I think that'll be alright. We'll make it work. Now this is just temporary, so that I can go and sit on the beach without worrying about the board being nicked off my roof. So I've actually managed to shove it all the way down to front. Right guys, I'm all lotioned up and I'm heading back to the beach. Let's go get some lunch. Well, let's go eat some lunch. I already got lunch. Picked it up from the sandwich shop again on the way. Anyway, let's go chill.
Trust me, we got the power to change the world. Need you to trust me. You will get no less than you deserve. Trust me, the thing we got is better than this. Need you to
gone a bit hazy now. Still really hot though, it's 24, 25 degrees. I can't see the sun, I think it's up there somewhere. But yeah, it's pretty bright still. Still get burned in this weather. A helicopter just flew past, really low. Couldn't get my camera out in time. I got my phone though, so managed to capture it on the phone. I'm going to keep chilling here until probably another hour or two, and then I'll head home, I suppose. I think it's going to start raining. It's going to thunderstorm about 7 o'clock, so make sure I'm not here for that. Something ultimately relaxing about being on the beach. Even when you've got noisy waves going on, it's just drowns out all the shit. Spider crawling on me. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to go back into my dreamless state and enjoy the peace. See you in a bit.